So I'm making a pumpkin pie pudding. I'm starting with a softened banana here in a bowl, mashing it with a fork. You look for a really ripe one, let it sit on your counter and get nice and dark. And I'm gonna add into that some canned pumpkin.
Oh.
That goes right in. So mine has, some stuff that's good for you in there mixed in with the sugar.
Now, is that pumpkin pie filling or just straight up pumpkin?
It's straight up pumpkin. Okay. And I always find that I open a can of that and I've got just a little left. So I'll either mix it in my yogurt in the morning or I'll put it in a smoothie, or like this, you can make a little pumpkin pie pudding with it.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'm gonna add to it my vanilla pudding. So that goes right in.
There's the pudding part, vanilla.
Yeah, a little vanilla pudding, and that's gonna give us our nice sweetness and richness. Mix it, mix it, mix it, and I've got pumpkin pie spice.
Okay, your best friend.
I love the pumpkin pie spice, so put some of that in, and just really, really mix it. There we go, it's looking good. And now I'm gonna put it into my little cup here.
Oh. Mmm. Wow, salivating over here.
Mm-hmm. Peanut gallery. The only judges that matter are the three sitting there.
Yeah, you're right about that. All the power's in your hands, kids.
And I'm gonna add some sliced banana to it, and then I've got crushed graham crackers here.
Okay.
Oh. Give it a nice little curb appeal, little texture.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Beautiful.
There it is.